Remember that whole rebuilding the city thing? Sometimes you've got to destroy parts of the city in order to rebuild the city. Let's go see what's going on inside. There's an entire crew here and they're working on building up the walls that will become some of our new areas, such as the merch center, and to begin to start on the kids area too. So we are starting to see these guys have been out here this evening after an entire day of work, they showed up here at our building to frame it and to get it started. So we're excited. We even have someone all the way from St. Louis who's been helping Reach KC for years now, and he is helping lead the team. Rebuilding the city.